20th of May, day 13, and looks quite bright behind us. It's actually really dull because it's chucking it down.
Yeah, it's just started raining and it's meant to be like an 80% chance of thunderstorms for most of the day.
So we're going to get wet. We're here for it today. Off to Magic Kingdom, open for an empty park, get on them rides. So it is what it is. It's his last day, and you know, we'll be spending some of that packing anyway later, so it's no big deal. Yeah. We've had a fantastic 2 weeks with weather, really. We've had the odd storm, haven't we, of an evening, but it's not really affected us.
Yeah, very traditional in that sense, isn't it?
Yeah, we expect it. So we're off to Magic Kingdom as soon as the bus arrives, and let's see where today takes us. Yeah. So we're just on the Disney bus, just headed to Epcot. Pretty bleak out there. We're going to try and do a sing-along.
We're glad you've chosen to stay with us as a Walt Disney World Resort guest. So we'd like to share some insider tips.
Coins in a fountain.
Flintstones. Meet the Flintstones. Strangely, nobody joined us.
Boring not.
King of the monorail. King of the bus, now king of the monorail. Monorail gold. So James has just made a valid point that we were waiting for a bus to Magic Kingdom and now we're on a monorail in Epcot. I'll let you explain.
Yeah, well, the Epcot bus turned up first, so there was a big queue for the Magic Kingdom one and nobody getting on the Epcot bus, so we jumped on the Epcot bus, did security, got on the monorail which goes all the way through to Magic Kingdom, so straight off that, no security at Magic Kingdom and into the park, so it may not necessarily be any quicker, but
and plus we've got off the bus at Epcot and it's not raining, so bonus. And even on a wet and rainy day, she's still pretty. Let's go to Magic Kingdom, he said. It's raining, he said. It'll be empty, he said. How wrong was he? No, I think it's raining. Get out there! Yeah. Get on those rides! Yeah. So James has just made a revelation. He's just said to me, oh, I've got a thing for Peter Pan. Really? I think he means a DAS pass.
Yep, I sure do.
Thought he was telling me something I didn't know then.
I'm going on Swiss Family Treehouse, and I used to take the kids on here just to walk through. But if anybody's seen the old Disney movies, Swiss Family Robinson, then this is basically the treehouse from that movie. I think it's really, you know, it's great for young kids. So we're almost to the top of the treehouse now. If you remember from the film, they recovered a lot of items from the shipwreck, hence the wheel from the ship and the organ and different things. So they retrieved a load of things on the raft from the ship. Top of the treehouse is the master bedroom.
Oh wow!
View of the castle from up here.
We often pause to contemplate our small because
You see the kitchen down there, like a big shell that makes the wash basin. This is the library. Again, things that the source back off the shipwreck.
You want to open it? We can't open it. That's not our kitchen. Look, you see their stove back there? Hey, stop. That's how they cook.
On the table.
Depressing things and some terrible things. Overall, it's a well-balanced trip. Welcome to the world-famous Jungle Cruise, by the way. My name is Nick, and today I'm going to be your skipper, your chef, your yoga instructor, and if you don't laugh at my jokes, your swimming instructor. I'm kidding. I can't do yoga to save my life.
It's the perfect vehicle for people watching. So keep your eyes peeled. You never know who you might see. It was the inspiration for Epcot, and many of its forward-thinking ideas have been realized throughout Walt Disney World. If your future includes shopping, then you'll want to visit Star Traders, where you'll find the greatest goods from around the gap. At the Tomorrowland Speedway, put the pedal to the metal and speed towards the checkered flag in your very own race car. Young or old, this is your chance to drive in the fast lane without worrying about getting a speeding ticket.
Believe it stayed dry all day. We had that little bit of rain while we were waiting for the bus, and then while we were on that it's all cleared up and never seen any more. Thought we'd be absolutely drenched all day, not even brought the sunglasses. So we're just going to head out of the park now. Sad times. We'll be back, I'm sure. Don't know when, but yeah, we're heading down to, well, we're going to go over to Grand Floridian first. We might just have a look round their refurbed, well, the new rooms that they've been doing for the DVC. We might have a tour of those, but we're heading down there. Just depends whether we can tour it. I'm not sure. Where are we, Mr. Jim?
We're just on the boat, it's going to take us across from Magic Kingdom over to Grand Floridian.
Yeah. So we were going to walk, but the boat was in, so we thought, you know what, we've not done it this trip, so let's do it. Yeah. The only thing that I need to know is I get up and my legs are dead. That's because my feet don't touch the floor. When you're short. Anyway, at least I don't have to walk. So this is the studio in the Grand Floridian, and this is an exact mock-up of how the new ones will be when the refurb's done in the other building. But absolutely love these closets. See how deep they are. Yeah, quite deep. Yeah.
She actually said Mary Poppins.
Oh, I like the bath and the shower combo thing. Yeah, I like that. That it can be. Oh yeah. Yes.
I know, my husband says the same thing, like, I could take 5 showers until the time it takes you to take.
Thank you. Thank you. And you. Bye-bye. We joined the queue outside Gideons at 1:45. They told us it was a 30-minute wait. We waited 40. Would I queue for it again? Judging by today's weather, yes, I would queue for it again, just for the smell alone. Not tried the cookies yet, but just for the smell in there alone, I would queue in this weather. However, would I queue in July and August? No.
Well,
no, I wouldn't.
You might change your mind when you've had your cookie.
I might change my mind. So out of Gideons and into Ghirardelli. What shall I have? What shall I have? That one is for me. Not sure what James is having. What are you having? Have you decided?
I don't know.
You don't know. Too much choice.
Yeah, probably, yeah.
to end the vlog. So it was day
13 yesterday.
Yesterday, 13, yeah. Just a recap of the day really, and then we'll we'll say hello again. We expected a really bad day yesterday, didn't we, weather-wise?
Yes, we did, yeah.
So much so that we went out really prepared for the weather, didn't take sunglasses. We should have known better. We should have known that the Florida weather, it just springs surprises. We had that initial downpour, bright sunshine, all day, weren't it?
Yeah. So.
I couldn't see a thing. Every photograph I'm in, I'm screwed up like this. We had a terrific thunder and lightning storm, which I did catch a little bit of footage. They are really amazing to watch, their thunder and lightning storms. It's something else. So yeah, we had a good day. We're signing off, and we'll see you in a second. Next week, whatever. See you guys.
See you guys. Bye.